Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to insert text or type text in a text box in Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet. Firstly, I'll show you how to type text an existing text box. This is an existing text box. I'll insert text text box. Click on this text box and click this three dot option. Here you will find this edit option. So you will select edit. Now double click on this text box and mouse cursor now showing here. Now type your text here or you can paste text here and see this. Type new text. Also you can change here text color. Click this three dot option. Here you will find this text font color. You can make it yellow. See this. Also you can make it bold, italic. Now simply select save and close. And secondly, select insert option. Now choose here drawing option. Now click on this text box icon and draw new text box. Now type your text here. And press enter for more line. Also you can increase decrease text box size as you like. Also you can make it auto fit. Here you can choose auto fit option and simply select I'll add border and simply select save and close and see this a new text box save and this existing text box. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.